Saka iko zvinonzi zvokudzoka zvakare mumwe raundi pesa dzese dzakarimwa pasingatenderwa zvinobanga kutakura sei tichabvisa toda kuti tirambe tichidzidzisa vanhu kuti vapirwe pokurima pakakodzera zvakare zvinotidetsera kuti timaneje nyaya yeflat rakabereka reinvesta mari yakati wandei kuina madrainages but runoff yakauya pakaitika mastorm saka within 2 hours most of madrainages atakakwina anga clogged because mabva anga achitapurwa kubva Christmas pasi ndarambura akawandisa. So vazhinji vanogona kusaona danger yacho nawo but makabvunza munhu ane property uri kuita flooding ndianonyatsodzwisisa kuti dambudziko iroro rinorwadza sei. And at times unogona kutopedzera mataputopedza life ukaona zvakaitika kuti mari mani gore reya remacyclone hatidi kuti tisvike palevel rino muno mautano and lot of properties is destroyed. So toda kuramba tichienforsa kuti tidzidzise vanhu kuti vanofanira kurima palotendera. Hatirambidze vanhu kurima but vanhu havafani kurima mariver beds, havafani kuita deforestation mumakomo edu. So Christmas past nedanga mvura proposal yachitaya kutsvaga mapartners kufunga kuti this mountain can be a source of tourism but it should be fenced off. A lot of activities dzinogona kuitika. Vamwe vari kusuggesta anobva food forest tigara miti yemaforest. So that is a proposal in budget totarisira kuti vari interested vanounza maproposal kazo. Ngatarisa road related mastorms maroads akaparara sei. Unoona kuti yaita dambudziko rakakura chaizvo. Kana tichitaura kuti maroads edu everywhere tinoparadza about 25 kilometers on average yeroad inenge yakuda total reconstruction, but isusu tanchimbomanija kuita 1.5 kilometers gore rese from our resources atinowana from Zinara, from our own sources. Now that gap is serious and vakachibona kuti maroads edu anoramba achiparara. That's why takazoisa proposal yokuingiza tariff. So tariff redu raka-approved for high density. It's increasing from $0.19 to $0.26. For low density, it's from $2.39 to $9.60. My commercial from $11.91 to $61. Industrial from $11.90. It's safely say it's time to move.
7.
All right. The proof of this is share with you latest updates. Our 2025 budget. Also hope to send a signal to our players through this engagement. Then it is primed, prepared for a new tariff that is quite detailed outline of what it is. Curriculum. There are major changes. Some of my areas are small major changes, but there are areas with major changes. But these changes are a product of consultation. We tried to make sure that our consultation is as wide as possible. We used several platforms. We went to awards for fiscal meetings. Generally, those are cooperative, but our chat room was very active. WhatsApp also was very active. We also published the full supplement of the tariff, the Manica process, and also in the Arab. Next year, Mr. Shalom will expand to other papers so that also which we tried that it is possible in our means to make sure that everyone participates in it. So what I'm going to share today is not our product. It is our product as a community. I know there are others who can participate according to consultations who might start to raise issues now. But we try as much as possible to consolidate views from people. We exposed our weak points, made suggestions. Some were accepted, some of the suggestions were dropped. The budget went through our stages. And we have to advise that the Minister of Local Government approved our 2025 budget. After raising a few issues, we remember during the budget process, it is the president who proposed that we introduce a levy for sports. It was taken through consultations, it received overwhelming support. At the time of implementation, the ministry then said you cannot use that special rate for recurrent expenses. So incidentally, cabinet directed that all local authorities should make sure they budget for sporting infrastructure. So that special rate is going to be directed to the improvement of our sporting infrastructure. So it will only be applied to capital expenditure. It became easier for us because we had already done our consultation on this subject. Generally, our tariffs are increasing by 5%. It is an inflation adjustment of 5%. Except for special rates relating to works. I'll come back to that. That should be the last item because one day but all other tariffs except for roads are increasing by 5%. In this budget, we